Binary basics. The easiest path to understanding zeros and ones. Reading binary left to right. When it comes to reading binary numbers, knowing the order of the bits is everything. Now that you understand bit positions, you are ready to learn how to read binary numbers from left to right, just like you would read a sentence or a line of text. For our binary conversions, we will start with the leftmost digit, which is the highest value place. This bit holds the greatest weight in the entire number. As you move towards the right, each bit will represent half the value of the one before it, just like you've seen with the powers of 2 in previous lessons. In an 8-bit binary, the far left number is position 7, and the far right number is position 0. Now, here is the process I would like you to practice. Start by saying the value of each binary bit as you advance from left to right. If there is a 1, it means that place value gets included in the grand total. If there is a 0, you skip that place and move to the next bit. As you move from left to right, you will compile a running total, always adding the place values each time you see a 1 in your binary number. Let's work through an example together. Take the binary number 10101111. The leftmost bit is a 1, so that's 128. The next bit is 0, so we skip the 64. The next bit is 1, so we add 32. Next is a 0, so we skip 16. The next 3 bits are all 1s, so we add 8, 4, and 2. The final bit is also a 1, so we add 1 more. Add it all up, 128 plus 32 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. That gives us 175 in decimal. So remember, when reading binary, start at the left, read each bit one by one, add up the values each time you encounter a 1, and skip the zeros. With a little practice, you'll get faster and more confident. And before you know it, this process will become second nature. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.